Well, hello everybody and welcome back again to Lessons Learned. We're green juicing today. So, I've actually been juicing on and off for about 5 years, and I've combined many fruit and vegetable combinations for delicious and nutritious results. If you juice, please share in the comment section your favorite recipe or recipes, and I'll give it a try. Here are the green fruits and veggies that we'll be juicing up. Celery. Celery juice really makes up the base of this juice for today. Cucumbers, Granny Smith apples, and a few kiwi. And I love this juicer because it kind of breaks things down before it juices, so it's a little bit higher grade than my entry-level one, so I'm loving it. And the pulp is coming out very, very dry. And I'm thinking, how can I reuse this pulp? I think I had my son Google it, and you can actually make veggie burgers and things like that with some of this pulp. You can mix it in with seasonings and other ingredients, things to kind of bulk it up. So, or, if you do have a garden, you can kind of use it to enrich the plants that you do have. You have pets, maybe you can give it to the pets. So always thinking about ways to reuse and repurpose. So do you guys like to juice? Is anyone into juicing out there? And as I said, sometimes I get ideas from the internet, but sometimes my body tells me what it wants me to juice. And like last week I was having carrot, beet, celery juice. And this week I'm trying more of a green juice. Okay, now I'm getting to the kiwi, so I'm just going to change my setting to soft. I just have a few kiwi. Let me see. All right, I'm going to give this a gentle stir. And I went to Walmart with the intention of getting a funnel. And that's the one thing that I forgot to get. So, these are some of the jars that I got for storing the juice. So, I'm going to go ahead and pour these in. And then I'm going to have some juice now, but I'll have a little bit of juice later. And I try to consume these within the first day or two. But I'll consume some now, and I'll have some to share with my family, and I'll share a little bit of this with some of my loved ones. All right, so I sure am pleased. So look at our yield. I was able to get 3 jars of this fresh juice. I am going to consume some of that juice with my breakfast, and then I'll have some to share with others. But I just wanted to show you, this is our pulp here. And look, this is dry, fairly dry pulp. So I'm pretty pleased with this juicer. And again, I'll talk about the juicer in another video. But I just feel so good about giving this love to my body and sharing it with others. So hope this gives you a little push to try juicing and see if that gives you a little push. I just feel like all of my cells are like, yes, when I drink the juice. And of course, you know, you want to be sure that you're also, you know, drinking sufficient water and things like that. Well, thanks so much for joining me. I can't wait to consume this delicious juice. It's always kind of a surprise, you know, what the taste is going to be. And sorry, those are my dishes, but 9 times out of 10, I am pleasantly surprised. So there's just so much goodness, and I can't wait to drink it and to share. But that's it for me. Have a great day, and remember to bloom just where you're planted. God bless. Bye.